And today is day 27. We've been learning consistently for the past 26 days. So without further ado, we'll just continue from where we stopped on the last live stream, which is day 26, where we actually got stuck trying to solve a couple of challenges while learning the M code, the M language in Power Query Editor. So in this exercise, you refine your knowledge of the M language and the advanced editor to more efficiently calculate the safety stock and additional reorder amounts. So it says open the advanced editor and then add the following line of code right above the source code. I'll go to the advanced editor here, which is also all these apply steps. This is the code behind it. So this is source code, or it's enter. So we actually enable this 1, 2, 3, this number you're seeing by clicking enable line numbers. You can see an enabled word wrap. If I disable this word wrap, the line of code will become longer. If I enable the word wrap, it becomes shorter. So it says this stores a local function called isFreshProduct inside your query that can be referenced in further steps. It says navigate to the added isFreshProduct step and delete everything in that step. Let's delete that. Okay, and we have to add this. It says change the calculated safety stock argument to obtain stock based on reorder level with multiple of 3. I think I need to change this to 3 here. Just change that to 3. My code is not correct. Oh, you can see category name. Probably I didn't write this category name completely. Oh, imagine. How did I make that mistake there? Category name. Okay, to this products and search for out badge larger right there. And click on OK. Then I should have a result for this additional reorder, which is 65. Let's input that 65 in. 65. Ooh, we nailed it.